G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome to howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating. And I just wanted to let you know, we have got over 200 saxophone lessons inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. 200 saxophone lessons. I don't know about you, but I personally think that's a lot of saxophone lessons. So I'm really pleased about this. I'm really excited. It's been a consistent effort on my behalf. It's been inspiring because of the so many questions and the so many amazing members we've got at howtoplaythesax.com and on YouTube and on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. And there's all these people all over the world watching, listening, learning, interacting, playing their saxophones with me. I'm so pleased. I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 200 saxophone lessons. We've got lots and lots of alto saxophone lessons. I'm slowly adding tenor saxophone lessons into the mix. 200 saxophone lessons at howtoplaythesax.com. Woohoo! I'm pleased. I'm excited. I'm having fun. I'm playing my saxophone. I'm trying my hardest to be awesome, but I am definitely repeating. And may I suggest that is a good mantra for you guys, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, everyone in between. It's a good mantra for you as well. Please have fun. That's the most important thing. Play saxophone. That's right up there too. Be awesome. You are awesome. Just keep doing what you're doing and repeat. You will be an amazing saxophonist before you know it. So please, thank you. 200 saxophone lessons at howtoplaythesax.com. If you're into rock and soul and funk and blues and you want to just learn how to play your sax and you don't need to worry about reading music, you don't worry about complicated musical theory, if you just want to play, please join me at howtoplaythesax.com. My name's Matthew. I will see you inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. I'll see you there. Thank you. 200 saxophone lessons. Woohoo!